Chicken biryani, a dish synonymous with celebration and sheer culinary artistry in Bangladesh. It's the star of countless gatherings, weddings, festivals, even simple family dinners. This isn't just food, it's heritage on a plate. The aroma itself tells a story of fragrant rice, succulent chicken, and a medley of spices. Each bite is an explosion of flavor. The history of biryani in Bangladesh is a rich tapestry, influenced by Mughal traditions and local culinary ingenuity. First, we need the best ingredients. This biryani demands respect. For the chicken, go for bone-in pieces. Thighs and drumsticks are perfect. They stay juicy during cooking. Chicken 1.5 kilograms, cut into medium-sized pieces. Basmati rice, 750 grams, soaked for at least 30 minutes. Onions, 3 large, finely sliced. Tomatoes, 3 medium, chopped. Ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons, freshly made. Yogurt, 1 cup, whisked until smooth. Green chilies, 6 to 8, slit lengthwise. Fresh coriander, 1 bunch chopped. Mint leaves, half a bunch chopped. Whole spices, green cardamoms, 8 to 10. Cloves, 6 to 8. Cinnamon sticks, a 2-inch piece. Bay leaves, 2 to 3. Ground spices, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder, 2 tablespoons. Cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Oil or ghee, 1 cup. Salt to taste. Now the magic happens. Marinate the chicken, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt. Let it soak up those flavors. At least 2 hours, preferably overnight. In a large pot, heat the oil, add whole spices. Let them crackle. Onions next. Fry until golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste. Fry until fragrant. Tomatoes in. Cook until soft. Add ground spices. Fry for a minute. Now, the marinated chicken. Cook until it changes color. Add 2 cups of water. Cover and let it simmer. Chicken should be tender. In a separate pot, boil water with salt. Add the soaked rice. Cook until 70% done. Drain the rice. Layer the rice over the chicken. Sprinkle saffron milk, coriander, mint and fried onions on top. Seal the pot tight, low heat for 20 minutes. The aroma will tell you it's ready. Biryani deserves respect. Serve it with raita, cool yogurt, cucumber and a touch of spice. A simple salad adds freshness. Onion slices, cucumber, lemon wedges. Don't forget the traditional accompaniments, some spicy pickle, maybe a side of brinjal chutney. This is a feast. Enjoy it.